Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Bannerjee. आज US Central Bank Policy Meeting and it's a very important meeting and a very important even for the markets. क्योंकि आज hike का expectation है and not just a 25 basis point hike, 50 basis point hike. Or overall expectation is that Fed is going to sound so hawkish that they will indicate that the rates will go up by another 200 basis points after this 50 basis point hike. मतलब अभी interest rates in America, the Fed fund rate is between 0.25 to 0.5%. That the market is expecting to rise to 2.5 to 3% by December of this year. A very tall ask from the Fed, but Fed जिस हिसाब से hawkish stance लिया है, तो आज they have to deliver. Otherwise, there can be a sell-off in the dollar index because long positions in the euro pound. The long positions in the dollar index and short positions in the euro, pound and yen is at record levels. So any disappointment from the Fed, if it happens, the reaction in the markets is going to be quite severe. So इसके लिए आज it is better to not carry positions overnight, especially in the rupee crosses like euro INR, GBP INR and JPY INR. क्योंकि वहाँ पे तो एक तो options है नहीं और दूसरा large gaps can happen. So if that happens against your position, there can be unnecessary losses. So better to avoid carrying positions overnight. If at all you want to take a trade overnight, keep the position size small so that अगर gap हुआ against your trade, you can able to exit it. That's very important. Dollar rupee में फिलहाल तो अपसाइड इज कैप्ड क्योंकि आरबीआई हैज बीन सेलिंग डॉलर्स एग्रेसिवली. इवन जो लेटेस्ट एफएक्स रिजर्व्स का डेटा है उसमें एफएक्स एसेट्स हैव फॉलन बाय नियरली $5 billion. एंड अगर हम लोग देखें द पीक दैट हैपेंड इन द एफएक्स एसेट्स अराउंड $576 billion in October of last year, it has come down to $534 billion, so down $42 billion. Even adjusting for a $10 billion swap, that's a hefty drop which has happened because of continuous selling from the RBI. So RBI clearly has told the market that we are going to defend the Indian rupee and we don't like the dollar rupee to go above 77. But at the same time, जो dollar का situation है globally, the strength and the fragile nature of the equity markets, ये सब के कारण plus oil hovering well above $100 on the Brent. इसके कारण dollar rupee for it to break below 76 has not also happened. So it's now stuck between 76 and 77 on spot. अगर इस range को properly define करें तो 76.10 and 76.75 on spot. This is the range. ये हफ्ता LIC IPO flows will be a major factor. 21,000 crore का एक large IPO है LIC का which opens today, and that's definitely going to attract a lot of FPI participation, especially from the sovereign wealth funds. So uska ek impact is going to happen in the dollar rupee as well, but still it looks like this range may hold out. At max, let's say 76.10 may becomes 76. So a broad range of 76 to 76, 70, 75 is still there. For this range to break down, क्योंकि upward level में breakout करने के लिए तो अभी it is difficult because RBI has, the way the RBI has capped it, something major has to happen in the world because even with a strong dollar index, upward shift हुआ नहीं है. So downward shift के लिए globally dollar has to weaken post Fed. If that happens, yes, then dollar rupee may attempt a break of 76. Otherwise, this 76 and 76, 70 at max, 77 range is intact. So option sellers will continue to do well, but at this point in time, we would be on the sidelines. We have short positions to straddles, etc. But we would be covering those shorts because of the tonight's meeting and take a fresh view at the market tomorrow once it opens. So आज के लिए we will cover the shorts on the options because of the event risk. On the crosses, as I said, be careful with overnight positions because of the Fed meeting. और कल Bank of England का भी meeting है जिसके बारे में we will talk elaborately tomorrow. And we have already written about it quite elaborately in our morning note, which you can find in the Telegram group. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.